Hey, what's going on, everybody, and welcome back. I know it's been a while since I did a video update, but figured now's a good time to do one. So apparently this is the calm before the storm. So I've been watching the news, looking at all the models and the forecasts, and with quite certainty I can tell you that this storm that's going to be coming tonight and into tomorrow, we can expect some snow. How much? Well, it depends on who you listen to. CBS, NBC, ABC, Fox News, the Weather Channel, Underground Weather, AccuWeather, they all say anywhere between 3 inches and 18 inches. So we can expect at least 3 inches of snow, and in some areas up to 18 inches. Anyway, just wanted to get to you guys, give you that little bit of an update, just let you know that, it's some areas are going to get some snow, some areas are going to get more snow, other areas are going to get a lot of snow, and some areas are going to get a shit ton of snow. But I will keep you guys informed and keep you up to speed, and I'll check back with you if I have any changes. Till then, over and out.